God damn. I'm hungry again. It's 1:12 in the goddamn morning. Oh, man, I just can't help myself. Y'all already know what time it is, goddamn me. I'm having chili dog, Doritos, and a root beer, man. I'm starving. I just can't help myself. God damn it, I need counseling. I got me some goddamn chili right here. Lord, how much it, Lord, how much it. I'm straight so starving right now. I just can't help myself. I need counseling. And like I got tapeworms or something, goddamn me. Look at the steam coming up off that joker right there. Lord, how much it. Two fat ass chili dog right here. I'm about to go ahead and take down through that. On welfare, goddamn me. Goddamn me. I got me two fat ass chili dog right here, goddamn me. I'm gonna go ahead and take it on down through the welfare. Some Doritos and a root beer. Can't forget to add my shredded cheese, goddamn me. Lord, how much it. Oh yeah, just keeping it plain and simple for my 1 o'clock snack. 1 a.m. snack at that. Oh yeah. Lord, how much it. I am so starving right now. I need some counseling or something. I'm always hungry. Lord, how much it. My wife told me I gotta choose either the food or her because I eat too damn much. Lord, how much it. Yummy. I gotta go, y'all. I gotta dig in. I gotta say my grace and I gotta dig in.